Good morning. It's another day here on the Harris chain. It's Wednesday, February 16th. Elite guys are out here for the last half day of practice. We're out here for like our 10th day of practice. So we're just trying to find areas these fish are gonna be going to. There's a lot of fish up shallow right now, no doubt about it. But my tournament's in a month from now, so I'm looking for places where these fish can stage. There'll still be waves coming and going. So I'm looking for more offshore stuff at the moment. If I can find that needle in a haystack, could be a really special spot, so that's what I'm looking for. It's funny, I just got a bite, and there's an Elite Series guy coming down this bank, and I didn't want to jerk on him, so I was sitting there shaking him off, and I let him come off, and then I look up, and he catches one. So I guess he don't care about jerking on him. So maybe I shouldn't have given him so much respect and not jerked on him. And we got that little guy, the old yum lizard. They love a lizard. I kind of been forgetting to throw a lizard, but I tied one on this morning and I've already had 2 bites on it real quick. Yum lizards are good. Caught an alligator. Let me call you back. Alright, bye. So, we just caught an alligator. We were flipping this mat and there was a bunch of little ones in there. Talking to Miranda, and now we got a gator. I'm not exactly sure what to do with him. I'm not sure how fast they are. I've never caught a gator. I definitely don't want him to fall off in the boat. I don't want to hurt him. I just want to figure out a way if there's a... How fast is he? Can I grab him? I think I can just grab him behind the head. I think. I'm actually pretty scared to grab him behind the head. Okay, he don't seem that fast. So, spin. Okay. I got a gator. And I'm gonna get the hook out with my Bubba pliers and try not to get bit by him. You need to open your mouth, buddy. Hey, open your mouth. He liked that yum lizard. I don't know what to do with him. I don't know how to make him open his mouth. The one thing I know about gators is you can't really open their mouth. Look at this little guy. He's pretty cool looking. I just want to get my hook back, buddy. I don't think you're gonna make that easy on me. Hey, we got it back, and we're gonna sacrifice our little yum lizard. But there is my first ever alligator. He ate it on top of a mat. He hit it, and I jerked not thinking I'd hook him, but I totally hooked him. Very cool looking. We're gonna let this little guy go now. I'm not sure the best way, but we're just gonna chunk him back in. Oh, he's gonna show you his teeth. Look at them little baby teeth with that yum lizard in there. All right, he's calling for his mama. Here he goes. Okay, no more alligator catching for us. That is time consuming, and you lose baits. Oh God. I'm sitting there writing a text to my wife, dragging this yum lizard There's the old young lizard at work right there on them lily pads. Good night. That was fun. So the young lizard catches an alligator and then it catches a 4-pounder. Boy, they're liking that young lizard, boy. They are liking it. It's good to know. Man, this is just beautiful in here. I jumped some logs to get back in here, and I can't believe I ain't got but a couple little bitty bites. They just ain't back here, but man, it's beautiful. So I ain't gonna lie, this kind of scared me. I came around this corner, and there's this giant statue of, I guess, Sasquatch. Giant statue of Sasquatch, and I came around that tree and it kind of startled me because I don't know, it's like, it's big, it's real life size if Sasquatch was real. Back here in this canal, sitting out in the middle, jerk bait, okay. Spot a little water crappie out there, and I couldn't help but put the old Bobby Garland on and see if I could catch him, and I caught one, so let's keep him. Okay, there's another one on the dinger. These are good ones. Really big one. Choking that young dinger. I'm choking it. It's like a 5.5, 6 pounder. Well, you can catch them in eelgrass too. Found me a little deep patch of eelgrass. First pitch in there, got him. Another one in eelgrass, little guy. Well, that's going to do it for today's practice. The Elite Series event starts tomorrow, and man, that offshore stuff is legit. We now found another area that, I mean, it's every kind every cast if you want, if you make the right cast where you can get a bite. And they were all quality. We saw that one was like a 6-pounder, and then we shook off several just because I'm afraid some of them guys have found that. I don't want to sit there and hook all their fish, but definitely found some areas that have a lot of fish. I'm sure the anglers will get on them and they're gonna bust them. Hopefully those fish stay there for a month, or new waves come in and the post-spawn fish pull out and I can catch both. But so far, this prolonged pre-practice, I found 2 really good areas, and I hope that they sustain for a month, but we'll find out in a month. But hope you guys liked today's video. Click like, click subscribe, go check out my wife and I's Hitching and Fishing YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. I got a bite. I just had a bite. I missed it. It thumped it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.